Hello and welcome to the Kitab Chala Finance Edition, a series geared towards financially aware individuals wishing to expand their financial knowledge portfolio. If navigating the complexity of finance seems difficult, you are at the perfect place. Today, I will break down 7 key lessons from the book, The One-Page Financial Plan, in under 7 minutes. Carl Richards' book, The One-Page Financial Plan, is engrossing and helpful. In this book, Richards deconstructs the complicated world of personal finance to its fundamental ideas and presents them in a clear, understandable way on a single page. The book's thesis is that anyone, regardless of financial background or expertise, can handle financial planning by demystifying it. The author is aware that many people find the thought of making a financial plan overwhelming, which frequently results in indecision or confusion. He addresses this by outlining the idea of the one-page financial plan, which is a brief but thorough document that can act as a guide for reaching one's financial objectives. Here are 7 motivating lessons from this book. Lesson number 1. Start with your values. It is critical to thoroughly research your values before beginning your financial planning process. To determine your fundamental values and priorities, a thorough self-evaluation is necessary. This introspection serves as a compass that guides your financial choices. If your financial strategy is in keeping with your principles, it will have benefits beyond basic accumulation. Your financial goals develop into pivotal movements that connect to your goals. This alignment also encourages a sense of integrity and accomplishment in your financial endeavors. It empowers you to make decisions that truly reflect your objectives, leading to a more purposeful and happy financial life. Lesson number 2. Automate savings. Automating saves is a potent financial tactic that makes use of consistency principles. You create a disciplined saving routine by setting up an automatic transfers from your checking account to your saving or investment account. Regular saving is made simpler by lack of conscious decision making due to this consistency. Additionally, it aids in preventing the urge to blow money you may have saved. Automation can benefit from the psychological principle of inertia. Since once set up, it runs automatically over time, allowing your savings to build without effort. It makes sure that you continue moving toward your financial objectives during busy or challenging times. Given that it makes use of the potential of compound interest, this strategy is especially successful for long-term objectives like retirement. In the end, automating saves is a straightforward yet very efficient technique to make sure that your financial future stays a priority and consistently moves in the direction of your goals. Lesson number 3. Focus on what you can control. Sound financial planning is based on concentrating on what you can manage. Outside of the control of any one person, market volatility, economic conditions, and external events are unpredictable. However, how you handle these unforeseen circumstances will have a big impact on your ability to succeed financially. By focusing on things you can control, including making sensible financial decisions, saving consistently, and creating a budget, you give yourself the capacity to successfully negotiate the financial landscape. This strategy encourages a proactive mindset and lessens worry about changes in the outside world. Instead of reacting emotionally to the market ups and downs, it enables you to make decisions based on long-term goals. Accepting what you can control encourages financial stability as well as develops financial discipline and toughness. Essentially, it's about taking control of your financial future and guiding it towards your goals, regardless of external environment. Lesson number 4. Insurance matters. A comprehensive financial strategy must include insurance because it provides a safety net shield to you and your loved ones from unforeseen and potential tragic events. Life insurance gives your family financial security in the event of your passing by covering funeral expenses and making up missed wages. Even you are unable to work due to sickness or injury, disability insurance protects your income, keeping your finances stable. These insurance policies give you peace of mind by guarding against financial setbacks caused by unforeseen medical expenses or job loss. By including insurance in your financial strategy, you build a strong foundation that protects your financial future and frees you from worrying constantly about unanticipated setbacks so you can concentrate your long-term goals. Lesson number 5. Behavior matters more than numbers. The human factor, a crucial element of financial planning, is highlighted by Carl, the author preference for behavior above figures. Your long-term financial success depends more on how you react to market swings, unplanned expenses, and financial decisions than it does on how you do the math and create thorough financial spreadsheets. Impulsive actions prompted by strong emotions like fear and greed have the power to ruin even the best laid financial plans. For instance, during a market downturn, fear may lead you to sell stocks at a loss, while greed may lead you to take unwarranted risks. Understanding your emotional triggers is necessary in order to make disciplined financial decisions. Lesson number 6. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Avoiding lifestyle inflation is a wise financial move that can significantly expedite your path to financial prosperity. It's a way of thinking that encourages you to keep your expenses low even as your income rises. By resisting the need to increase your spending as soon as your income rises, you can create a financial surplus. This surplus can be utilized to financial savings and investments that over time generate greater wealth and income. Living within your means improves your capacity to achieve important financial goals such as retirement savings, home ownership, or funding your children's education. It also builds your financial foundation. Lesson number 7. Tackle one thing at a time. With the exact focus, you can develop a plan that is both straightforward to execute and tailored to the current goal. It also makes it easier for you to track your progress and keep motivated because you can see measurable effort. Once one objective has been reached, you can move on to the next one while still feeling motivated and successful. Additionally, concentrating on one purpose at a time lessens the likelihood of feeling pushed or overpowered by the demands of multiple goals. This method encourages restraint, perseverance, and strategic thought in your financial plan, which ultimately lead to better and longer lasting success in reaching your financial objectives. As a result, this book is more than just a manual for handling finances. It's also about manual for leading a more purposeful and happy life. It implores readers to simply the intricacies of financial planning, take control of their financial destiny, and uses their resources to accomplish the goals that are most important to them. This book is not just a theoretical guide, it's a hands-on toolkit. The author provides step-by-step instructions and templates to help the readers create their one-page finance. By following his guidance, readers can gain clarity and confidence in managing their finances, ultimately working towards a more secure and prosperous future. Think of this book as your financial treasure chest. But here's the catch. It's not about stuffing your head with information and figures. It's all about gaining access to that wisdom and incorporating it into your life. Books are more than simply information. They are also potent catalysts for transformation. It's not so much about what you take from a book as it is about that book that might spark within you. Now it's time to put these ideas into action and build the way to financial success. Thank you and see you in the next video.